Last year was extremely difficult year. Russia manipulated our energy markets and wanted to divide us, but they were not successful. We were able to diversify away from Russia with the help of reliable partners. We were able to replace some of the fossil fuels with renewables. Last year, 2022, was record year for European solar industry, and I do believe that this year will be even better. And on top of that, our citizens helped us immensely. They changed their behavioral attitude. They helped us to save energy, and this is also the key. We have to prioritize savings. We have to replace dependency on fossil fuels with renewables. And then, of course, we will need reliable partners. That means that outreach to our like-minded partners will also be key for next years to come.